Niagara Falls is where nature can really show off and do its thing. The main attraction is, of course, the falls, a trio of waterfalls with vertical drops clocking in at nearly 200 feet. Hop aboard the Maid of the Mist boat tour to get close to, and drenched in, the cascading waters, or hit the walkways at Cave of the Winds, where you'll get within feet of the roaring Bridal Veil Falls. If you'd rather stay dry, explore one of the many hiking trails in Niagara Falls State Park, spend the day wine tasting, or stroll along Art Alley to check out some street art. Niagara Falls is one of Canada's most accessible natural wonders, which, for many visitors, makes it more of a photo op and less of an experience. It's easy, once you find a spot in the lot across from Horseshoe Falls, to park, cross the street into the mist, and jostle for a prime view of Niagara's three waterfalls, Horseshoe, American, and Bridal Veil. Peering in from the edge is awe-inspiring, yet there's another way to absorb the immense power of the falls, on the water. Ride hornblower Niagara cruises in the basin directly in front of the falls, or board a jet boat a few miles downstream to ride the Devil's Hole Rapids, created by the water rushing from the falls. The falls have carved a 7-mile, narrow rock gorge, compressing the water downstream on the lower Niagara River into Class 5 whitewater, says Victoria Gronewald, a local resident who works with Whirlpool jet boat tours. Experiencing the water at this point is exhilarating. Whenever I have a stressful day, I can't wait to get out into the gorge. For even more adventure, get a view of the falls from the sky. Soar through the air on Wild Play's Mistrider zipline for a new perspective on the Niagara Gorge and Horseshoe Falls. When to go? From June to August, the falls viewing areas can get packed with summer vacationers. If possible, plan a May or September visit to avoid the biggest crowds. Peak fall foliage is typically mid to late October. November through March is cold, with temperatures averaging between 21 and 39 degrees Fahrenheit. Nearby Niagara-on-the-Lake, about a 20-minute drive from the falls, hosts 3 major wine festivals: Ice Wine in January, New Vintage in June, and the Classic Vintage Niagara Wine Festival in September. From April to October, the city hosts its famous Shaw Festival, whose repertory company specializes in plays written by George Bernard Shaw and his contemporaries. The season typically includes 10 to 12 productions and about 800 performances. How to get around? Niagara Park's Vigo buses provide an affordable, convenient way to access Niagara Falls must-see attractions, including Table Rock, Skylon Tower, and Horseshoe Falls. Buy an adventure pass at any Niagara Parks Welcome Center or online at niagaraparks.com to save on sites and transportation. Taxis can be flagged from the falls downtown core to Niagara on the lake, where you can sightsee aboard a traditional horse-drawn carriage. Where to stay? You can hear the falls, but not the tourist traffic, from the Garden of Greystone Manor, an elegant, 4-room bed and breakfast located in a restored 1908 Niagara Falls home. The Vigo bus stop is a few blocks away, or it's only a 15 to 20-minute walk to the falls. In the heart of nearby Niagara-on-the-Lake, the red brick Prince of Wales Hotel offers opulent Victorian luxury, individually styled rooms decorated with elegant antiques, English afternoon tea served in the drawing room, and a nightly turn-down service with complimentary rows. Standard rooms are located in the hotel's modern wings, so ask for a room in the historic main inn, built in 1864. And a nightly turn-down service with complimentary rows. Where to eat or drink? The Niagara Peninsula is home team.